Well, if you ever wanted to drive a convertible geometric pancake, now is your chance. Lamborghini is showing off its latest drop top here at the Geneva Motor Show with the Huracan Evo Spyder. The Huracan, you gotta say it like that, right? Huracan, Huracan. I'm just kidding. Okay, so the Huracan Evo Spyder is powered by a 5.2-liter V10 engine, putting out 640 horsepower and 442 pound-feet of torque. A 7-speed dual-clutch transmission gets the power down to the rear wheels, and this guy can scoot from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a scant 3.1 seconds. Now that is just 0.2 seconds faster than the coupe version of this, so that's not a very bad penalty for driving a convertible. If you want to go a little bit faster, well, 124 miles an hour comes up in 9.3 seconds, and the top speed is 202. Yowza, baby! And this isn't just some dumb supercar. There's all kinds of tech to make you a better driver than you probably deserve to be. An advanced traction control system, it can put all of the traction on one single wheel if that's what you need. There's magnetic ride shocks that can adjust on the fly, and the car can even predict your next move based on your driving behavior. And yes, it is a drop top. You can lower that top in 17 seconds at speeds of up to 31 miles an hour, but let's face it, when are you ever gonna go that slow in a Lamborghini? You can expect to see the Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spyder in America in the spring of this year. Now this guy's got a little bit of a premium since it is a convertible, $26,000 over the coupe version. All told, it'll start at $287,400 smackaroos. It's a lot, but it's got a real nice paint job.